For the business network, we did just want to mention that part of the reason that you might not see a revenue number for Washington Mutual is that banks tend not to report straight revenue. They report the net interest as the top line. So you won't see that revenue number. But nonetheless, investors in the after hours seem to really like the news. Don't know if we can get a Washington Mutual chart up, but it's really something, Bob, that tends to be appreciated by after hours investors right now. Bob, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know if you were coming back to me. Yeah, it's I think when you look at this number, like your one guest had said, a lot of the bad news factored into the stock already. Yeah, the earnings number missed, but in general, the deposits were up. The net margins, interest margin was better than anticipated. The loan loss reserve of $3.5 billion was pretty much right on their forecast, so nothing worse than expected there. So in balance, opportunity for investors to come back, cover some short positions, long-term investors start to do some buying. I think in general the banking stock's undervalued for the long term, and most of the bad news now I think is behind us. Wall Street is finally kind of caught up to how bad things were. I think from this point forward we start to see better numbers, so you can start to go in and start to buy on this quarter's weakness in the banking sector.
Boy, Bob, that's an optimistic rundown of what Washington Mutual means. Peter Schiff, what do you think of that?
Well, I don't know. I think the red ink's going to run for years in these financials. I don't know why people are surprised when they report losses that are greater than expected. But yeah, there probably are quite a few shorts in there now that are going to cover. But long-term stocks are going lower. The shorts.